To transfer your Wix website to Wix Studio, you will need to recreate your existing site using the Wix Studio platform, as Wix currently does not support direct one-click transfers between Wix Editor and Wix Studio, due to the structural differences in both builders. Here's how to do it. Open Wix Studio, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix Studio dashboard. Click Create New Site and choose Wix Studio as your builder. Select a template or start from scratch. Choose a pre-designed Wix Studio template that suits your original site's layout, or start with a blank canvas. Manually copy content. Open your original Wix site in one tab and the new Wix Studio editor in another. Copy and paste text, images, videos, and other content manually. You can also download and upload media files if needed. Rebuild site structure. Recreate pages, navigation menus, sections, and design elements using Wix Studio's advanced layout. Use Studio's responsive design options for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Publish your new site. Once you're happy with the design and functionality, click Publish to make your new Wix Studio site live.